Hi, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to talk to you about a great investment I made. After buying my laptop, I was so scared of breaking it. So I decided to buy this cover. I want you to check it out, please. See, it's very sealed in the corners. It protects it just in case it falls, but also the back. It won't get scratched or damaged, and even it has these little legs, which is pretty cool because it helps you have a little bit of an inclination. But something I love, I'm always drinking my coffee or tea while I'm studying or working. So the keyboard has this little plastic. Let me get it off so you can see. This, you just put it on top. It has it so you protect your keyboard, and if you do spill something, you're not scared that you damaged it. So it's such a peace of mind. Buying your laptop, investing on this baby here, it'll take care of it. You can carry it everywhere, go outside, study, go to a coffee shop, and you know that nothing's gonna happen because you're taking well care of it. And that's just my point of view.